Swadex sent me a pair of shoes. I guess I'm one of many they sent them to. Steel toe, indestructible, supposedly indestructible. I've seen people do this to show the flexibility, and it's true, they are flexible. But I'll tell you this right now, if you're wearing these and your foot does this, you got a lot more problems than your toe. This is more realistic. That's awesome. Steel toes are good. They'll work. I noticed just by doing that, the fabric's starting to break a little bit. Which if something drops on your foot, it's going to break anyway. Now, as far as comfort goes, I put these on. I wore them around my shop today, and my toes feel like they're bunched up in here. They look nice. Very flexible. No problem. 3-pound hammer. Think these shoes are going to work out just fine. Okay, so I said in the beginning of the video that these things felt a little cramped on my toes. But after I did all these tests, I wore them around my shop all day, I realized they're pretty comfortable. I mean, it's like a new pair of boots. You wear a new pair of boots for a couple of days, they start to feel a little better. Wear them a couple more days and they're, you're starting to break them in a little bit. So I guess you just have to break these in a little bit, man. Now I put them through quite the test, as you can see here. In real life, that's probably not gonna break that fabric that fast, but I did break through that fabric with a hammer, a piston, some clamps, a big piece of round tubing. But I don't care that the fabric is broken here. I'm still gonna wear them. These are gonna work. I'm gonna wear them. Thanks, Swadex.